Technologies centered around fleet and facility both play an increasingly critical role in the transportation and fleet management industry. However, these systems are only beneficial when they're working, which means they must be supported like any other business-critical technology. Ongoing support, repairs, and maintenance carry significant costs. These costs can fluctuate dramatically, but utilizing a formal program such as VelociCare will result in predictable budgeting, guaranteed response times, and 24/7 visibility to all aspects of your post-deployment service. So what is VelociCare? VelociCare is a turnkey, flat monthly base subscription for fleet technologies comprised of the following three categories. Inventory control is often overlooked as it relates to supporting onboard technology. Managing a spare pool of parts, thorough testing to verify proper functionality of de-installed systems, managing third-party RMAs, and staging, kitting, and shipping are just a few examples of how VelociCare is your premier support program provider. By effectively and efficiently managing your inventory, we ensure you always have the right parts available to maintain the functionality of your technology. Velocity's custom-trained technicians work tirelessly to get your system up and running again with minimal downtime. Rather than asking you to take time out of your driver's busy schedule to come to a brick-and-mortar location, we come to you. No matter where your asset is located, our scheduling coordinators make the process of arranging your repair hassle-free. This seamless scheduling process ensures that you get your asset up and running with minimal downtime and no off-route travel. VelociCare's System Health Monitoring feature alerts us to failures with your onboard technology, allowing us to identify and repair the failed component in no time flat. Because if you aren't aware your system is down, how can you take the required steps to fix it? We will monitor the activity from all your systems, compare it to the activity or dispatch logs from your assets, and filter out any false failures. The required action to fix your technology failure is then scheduled, whether it be remotely or by sending one of our highly trained technicians directly to you to troubleshoot the problem. All activity and inventory is tracked and available 24/7 via our customer portal, VelociCare. With VelociCare's System Health Monitoring, we guarantee we'll have your technology up and running before you're even aware it's down. Contact us today to see how VelociCare can provide protection for the life cycle of all your technology solutions.